Wow, that's nice. Arslan, I wish I had a SLR camera right now. I just have it on continuous shoot. You'd capture one of these. You hear that?
Yeah. Is that an airplane?
Oh yeah, that must be an airplane.
Holy shit, how could it fucking land right now?
You know what? Wow. There was a long extension. They're probably cleared to go that way.
Yeah, maybe.
I really hope this camera's picking it up.
Ooh,
oh, that was nice.
I don't think it's good. Whoa! That's so sick. It's so high up too.
Wow, you missed that one.
I know,
I saw it. It just peeked out, eh?
On top of that cloud. That's so sick.
I really hope this thing's picking it up. These are some cool strikes.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, Z, he missed on top of that cloud again.
It's peeking behind that cloud.
Yeah, it's like moving towards there.
Oh, nice.
That was sick. That was the best.
We checked the weather office radar. I just want to see where the storm reached.
It's not raining anymore. My wipers are here.
Now I'm just gonna enjoy.